What if I told you that lack of money is not the reason most people fail in business? In fact, some of the most successful businesses today were started with little or no capital. If you're broke but hungry for success, this video could change your life. Watch till the end because step number 5 is where most people fail. Introduction. Starting a business doesn't begin with money. It begins with skills, mindset, problem solving. In today's digital economy, you can start a profitable business with a phone, internet access, and the right strategy. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Change your mindset first. Most people think, I need money to start a business. But successful people ask, what problem can I solve with what I already have? Key truth. Money follows value. Customers pay for solutions, not ideas. Example. If you can design, write, speak well, teach, organize things, you already have a business skill. Step 2. Start with skill-based businesses, no capital. Skill-based businesses require time and effort, not money. Low or no capital business ideas, freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, virtual assistant, tutoring or coaching, voiceover services. Example. A student with a phone learns Canva, designs flyers, charges $5,000 to $20,000 per design. Step 3. Use free tools and platforms. You don't need an office or expensive tools. Free tools you can start with: Canva, design, CapCut, video editing, Google Docs, writing, WhatsApp and Instagram, marketing, YouTube and TikTok, organic traffic. Example. Many content creators built businesses using only their phone and free apps. Step 4. Solve a specific problem. Generic businesses fail. Specific solutions win. Instead of, I sell clothes, say, I sell affordable office wear for working women, or I help small businesses grow on Instagram. The clearer the problem, the faster the money. Step 5. Start small, reinvest, and scale. You don't grow rich overnight. Smart growth strategy. Start small, deliver excellent service, get testimonials, reinvest your profit, upgrade tools later. Example. Start with free tools, earn first $50,000, upgrade internet, software, or skills. Step 6. Market before you're ready. Perfection delays success. Simple marketing methods. Post daily tips on social media, share before and after results, tell your story. Offer free value consistently. People buy from trust, not perfection. Rowing. Most people quit right before success. Final motivation. You don't need capital. You need courage, skills, and consistency. Start where you are. Use what you have. Grow as you go. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more business and mindset content. Comment starting today if you're ready to begin your journey.